friends, today we're opening 2 figures. First we start with Pucky Horoscope babies and let's see which one we get. Oh my gosh, we got the Gemini baby. Oh, it's so adorable. I love it. On to the next one. We have Explorer Momiji. Oh my gosh, look at all these cuties. Let's see which one we got in this one. Oh, there are lots of packages in this one. Wow. Okay, I guess we have a very rare one. Okay, but let's open it and we have, oh my gosh, that's Laura. She's an astronaut. Oh my gosh. Okay, more to open, of course. Wow, look at how cute. I love it. Well, as always, miss you, love you. Bye.